I'm sorry about the background noise. It was just me and my cousins just talking because it's Canada Day. We want to get it out. So yeah, sorry about us talking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, and today we're gonna watch some fireworks. Okay, so it's pretty dark. So we're heading over to my. Is Jamie my uncle? Yeah. We're heading over to my uncle's house. Really? Jamie's my cousin? What? He's like 30. How old is Jamie?
Well, look at Harry's cousin. Harry's 40 something.
Holy jeez! Look at that lot. Look at that saying lot. Jazzy! So we'll see you guys when we're there. There we go, we're back. We are back, guys. We are back. Shut up.
Nothing. No, I'll photobomb that.
No, don't. Seriously, stop. Seriously, cuz, stop. Stop, fam, I am. Holy shit. Holy crap.
Oh god, that was good. Honestly, actually just look at it. It looks way better than this crappy phone you have.
I am looking at it while I'm recording it.
Yeah, it looks like this battery's dying.
I don't care. I can record it when I'm recording it till 10%. Is that it? Nope.
What if it's all like for 15 minutes?
Then I'll be like, damn man. Shut up. Stop being racist. Stop being racist, bud. Kyle's the one being racist, guys. Don't blame me. That's Kyle. Damn, Daniel. Damn. Stacy, man. Jeez, I can smell the gunpowder from here.
Your ass.
How do you know what that smells like? How do you know what that smells like? I don't even know what it smells like. I got two phones, one for the front and one for the home.
That's what it sounds like.
Here we go, big one.
In here.
Big one.
Say somebody was going to the washroom and it sounded like that.
Oh my god, I was legit.
I was like, does that hurt? Wow.
Holy crap.
It's so pretty. Look at everyone and tell them the fireworks. Yeah, you do that, love.
Why is it so blurry?
It sucks.
Shut up.
Buy a new phone. Buy like
Okay, okay.
iPhone 6.
Okay, let's go. You told me to go buy a new phone, so I'm done with this phone.
Joking.
I'm done with this phone, man. Holy
Money to buy a new phone.
HD!
Buy iPhone 6. iPhone 7, yeah.
Oh my god, you are. His iPhone 7 hasn't even came out, bud.
Oh, I'm joking now.
Holy.
Oh god, it's coming for us. You're joking.
What if one of the things hit us?
What if that was actually a war?
I would be so surprised that we're actually in the war. I'd be like, yeah, we're in the war. I get to play with guns.
I just had to shoot someone.
Holy crap, that looks nice.
I'd pick out the AK-47 and be like, don't mess you up, boy.
Bring out one of those toy cat guns.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I feel so bad for the people that just wanted to watch the fireworks. And we're just
talking.
Just imagine just walking around doing this.
That's probably like.
Walk around at nighttime.
Whoa, bud, you made me miss it.
It's so stupid. Fucking.
That's 35. That's 35.
Why do you care about that fucking word?
There's the 40. I swear to God, if you don't get me this in the next month, you owe me $7,000.
I know. What if I look good George by then?
Holy shit!
Oh god.
There's like a little big blob right there.
You're like. Dude, what's going on out there? Dude, my dogs are like. What's going on out there?
Keep calm and keep watching. Keep on watching.
Stay watching.
Keep calm and stay. Oh my God! Holy!
I shot you.
Oh God!
This is the finale? I don't know. I think it is.
Hey,
Yeah, I think it is.
No, I'll get all that.
Holy!
Yeah, that's pretty gangster looking.
Holy! Okay, I'm hoping for a really, really big one at the end.
Yeah, I'm hoping for like a giant.
That was pretty cool.
Oh, I think that's it.
Holy!
Oh,
Did you see all the
I
sparks?
know, look at everything.
Sounds like a gun war out here.
I know it sounds like there's
Like in the background, it sounds like.
That's a big one.
Oh!
I think those are the giant ones. And they're sending out the giant.
Oh, smiley face!
Upside down.
upside down smiling face.
Dude, that's pretty chill. Oh! Oh! Shut up.
You shut up, dummy.
This is my whistle.
You're not.
Woo!
You can hit people from like down the road.
Happy Canada Day. Woo! So the aftermath of the fireworks. You can hear more fireworks. But See you guys later.